Hi everyone, Doc Alecia here again on another episode of Ask Alecia, where I tackle your questions to do with OET or medical English. Today we've got another OET question coming from Abdul, who I think I remember is out of UAE. And Abdul's note said, I can make notes on the role play card in the real test, right? And if you are talking about making notes on the card, you, Abdul, are talking about the paper-based test. So this is what your role play card will look like. You will have your role here, background, information to keep in mind as you speak, and your task points. And remember, you've got 3 minutes before the role play actually starts. And in that 3 minutes, you can use the time to do little things like this. Underline important background information that you want to keep in mind as you go. Um, Look at the functional verbs and think of language that you can use to introduce them. So here it's find out, explain, resist, request, convince. You don't want to be writing long sentences or long questions, but just short notes. And the other thing you can do is underline bits of language that you might want to rephrase and kind of jot down what you want to say instead. So, on another episode, we will tackle the computer based test. But, Abdul, I hope that answers your questions. And for everyone else, remember, use the links to send in your questions and we'll answer them on the next episode of Ask Alecia.